Rubber shoe, grocery ko. Tapos na sila guys. Where you guys? Kuya sa... Good morning guys.
Good morning.
Paalis tayo ng bahay. Tumawag si Jan kasi today is last day of fishing na ni Jan. So tapos na siya. Na ano niya na yung quota niya. Na kuha niya na. Parang kailan lang, di ba? Kalalagay niya lang ng pots after nung nag-close yung factory and hindi muna sila nag-fish for I think less than 2 months or yeah, around like that. So ngayon, tapos na siya. Siguro mga 7 or 8 days lang siya nag-fish and tapos na siya. Done. So ngayon, punta tayo doon. Sana mabutan natin na hindi niya pa nabibenta yung mga lobster or crayfish. Pag nandun pa siya, makikita natin kung ilang lobsters yung nakuha niya. Sana nandun pa. Medyo malamig yung hangin. Kahapon diba sobrang init. Ngayon naman medyo malamig yung hangin. What season are we now, Kuya?
Spring. No, autumn.
Autumn, Zagaboy. And yung mga bata pala, hindi na sila pumasok. Today's Friday. It's March. Hindi ko na sabihin sa inyo yung date kasi alam ko naman late nyo naman ito mapaparod. Pero March ngayon, Friday. And yung mga bata, hindi na pumasok kasi mayroon silang inter-school, Kuya? Do you have inter-school? Yeah, maraming students ang wala sa school. So sabi ni Jan, wag na lang sila pumasok kasi and Friday naman. Kaya ayan, kasama natin sila. And gustong gusto naman nila kasi it's Friday. Friday means you're gonna play what?
Yeah, and we're going to go to golf.
Yeah, PlayStation and then may golf din sila. So mamaya na lang, drive muna tayo.
3:30.
Oh, binabaan na naman dito yung speed limit. No, it's 100. Kasi last time 80.
Yesterday 40.
Now it's 100, Kuya. It says 100.
But yesterday we had to do 40.
Where? Here?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Because
Kasi,
there was people here.
yeah.
Road people.
May construction kasi dito. Yes? So, etong mga nakapark dito, yan yung trailer ng dinghy or yung maliit na boat katulad nun. Ayan, oh. Yung nakikita nyo. Where, nak? Wala pa yung boat, so wala pa si Jan. Kasi nung tumawag siya, sabi niya,
He's up there.
ano na raw sila, pauwi pa lang. So, it means kasi makikita natin yung lobster. Saan ba tayo mag-park?
Where's Dad?
Where's Dad? Dad's not here yet. Wait lang, naghanap na akong parking. Nakahanap na akong parking. Hintayin lang natin si John. Wala pa. Binuksan ko yung bintana. Malamig. It's cold wind, right, Kuya? Look at you, Kuya. Meron ka pang mga batas ng breakfast mo.
That's just as red.
No, is it ketchup?
Is it red?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you have?
Red fruit.
Frites for breakfast.
Yay.
Dito na si John. Come on. Ayan na yung boat. Old Mommy San Baba. Dala niya na yung mga pots. Holly, Kuya, give. Come on, Baba. Old Mommy's hand. Hi, Tom. Hello, Daddy. Nandito naman yung mga tutulong sa kanila para ma-unload yung mga pots and floats. Look at that! Yeah, there's a doggy there. Oh, that's why I told don't bring your baby. Ay, malamig. I have a jacket. Kuya TJ, please hold Holly's hands. It's alright. Parang may virus si Kuya. Zach, that's right. She will bite the baby. Oh, it's cold. Holly, stay here, please. Tyron John. Ah, okay, come on. You're gonna move the trailer there. Come on here. Alis kayo dyan. Sagabal kayo. Andun yung trailer, oh. Unload ulit. Ano lang nila, di ba? Parang kailan lang yung load nila niyan sa boat. Oh, lamig-lamig. Come, Papa. Ayan yung trailer. Sak. Come here. Thank you. Nandito na kami guys sa may ano. I'm just joking, Papa. Huh? Okay. Kuya, where are you going? Oh, punta. Alright. Ayun. Hi. Did you kiss Daddy? That's a little dog. May dog kasi dito, oh. Yeah, so little. So cute. Alis niyan, Kuya. Alis niyan, Holly. Oh, come here, Papa. That's a good one, ha? Look. Doon din, oh. Meron na rin na nag-unload ng pot sa boat. Tapos na rin sila. Ay, ang lamig.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls.
Andun pala. Hindi natin nakita yung lobster. Ayan. Hindi natin makikita, nilock na ni John. That's it, huh? Just one? Are they gonna open it there, huh? Yeah. Okay. Makakita pala natin kasi bubuksan siya. I have to walk there? Huh? Oh, okay. Let's go walk daw. Okay. Don't run. No, we're gonna go walk because Daddy is going there. Come on. Punta na tayo sa ano. Ayan, oh. Tara, baba. Ayan yung mga pots. Tapos na. Yeah. Daddy's going there. That's why we have to walk. Maglalakad kayo papunta dun sa scale. Oh, ayun na si Daddy. Oh, wala, come on. Kasi ikinuhin na yung cryfish. Yeah, go run, Baba. He's coming. Okay, wait. See? Sila kuy, nakasakay. sila. Ayan yung... Hoy, kamaya. Ayan yung bibili na lobster namin. So, dito na tayo. Dito yung scale. Dito na... Hi, Grace! Good, thank you. Dito nila kinikilo yung fry fish. And, ayan, binubuksan niya na yung truck. Ayan.
Right now.
41.7 kilos. Ooh. Yeah. May machine doon na pinipindot siya. Yan siya yung naglilista. 42.7.
We need the
42.7.
yeah. All say 32.3.
32.3.
38.3 plus 32.3. 32.3.
Nakalimutan niya ilagay. See you next year. Magpalaki pa kayo at dumami pa kayo. And close na yung van. Wow, may pa-coke si Tracy. Andito na lang ng pods. Tapos na sila mag-load sa trailer, Baba.
Ow!
Oh, what's wrong?
You put my finger.
Oh, sorry. Ando na yung mga pots. I-deliver na sila sa shed ni Dad. Dito muna kami sa Carney. Dito muna kami sa Carney. Kanina tong car sa akin. Dito muna kami sa car kasi ang lamig sa labas. Sinisipon na nga ako eh. What are you doing, Baba?
Saying bye-bye, Pops. Bye-bye, Philip! Daddy, Philip! Daddy, Philip, dog.
What fellow? Friends?
No,
What? Daddy's
Daddy's Philip!
Daddy's fella?
No, Daddy. Fuck.
What?
Daddy's Philip!
Ah, Daddy's trailer. Ah, okay.
He's going
It's going to pasture. The
of
pots.
of pot.
Yeah, all the pots.
I just put in baby seat on.
Alright.
I just put his on.
Nilalagay niya ng seatbelt yung kanyang doll. Yan talaga ang paborito niyang doll. Sa dami niyang
I
doll.
can't sit here.
Yeah, you're gonna sit on that side. Yan ang paborito niyang doll. Sa dami niyang dolls, yan ang gustong-gusto niya. You love that dolls, Baba?
Yeah, who buy? Who you buy this from?
I bought it from Kmart.
Nah,
Oh, where?
you bought it at
Filipino store.
No.
Where?
Like the minis. Like, where you buy the TV from?
Not TV. We're talking about the doll, not the TV. Okay? So I got that from Kmart.
Nah,
Yeah.
nah,
Yeah. Makipag-argue talaga siya.
nah.
Alright.
Buy this from.
From Filipino store? Bye! Ano? Namaos ako ah. Nandito na sila. Yung ropes naman yung ilo-load nila at saka mga floats. Sabi ko wag na kayong bababa kasi malamig. Talagang baby na to ka lagi niyang kasama.
Yeah.
Siya ang mami ng baby na yan. Careful, Baba. Sisak na doon sa loob. Come here. Hold mommy's hand. Yan na yung mga ropes. Baba, alis ka dyan. Sorry. And floats. Ayan si Kuya. You wanna go there? Okay. Okay, go. Ask Daddy.
Daddy, I'm not gonna go.
Hurry up, go. Hoy.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, come
Oops, you're... See ya! Oh, ang lamig. Don't touch anything there, ha? Johnny. Yung tumulong sa kanila nung nag-load sila sa boat. Yung dalawa. And kanina, umalis na rin yung isa. May tumulong din kanina. Oh, malinis yung mga ano, malinis Kasi diba, nilinis nila to bago nila ulit sa dagat. Hindi siya moldy. Or, hindi moldy. Yung basta maitim. Tapos, yung may mga seaweeds. Malinis. Si Holly nagsasayaw na sa loob ng ay, ang lamig. Tinatangay ako ng hangin. Bilis. Thank you, guys. Dan, Tommy, Dan. All done. Thank you. Yeah, thanks. What's that, Han? Octopus? Let me see, Han. Merong octopus. Yan ang kumakain ng crayfish.
Where's that?
In the car. He wants to go home. You know why? Yeah. Is that the octopus, Han?
Yeah.
How many? Just one? Okay, come on, Baba. And Kuya. Done. How about the octopus, Han? Yung octopus, akin na. Ayun, yan lang yung ibigay yung octopus. Feeling fine. Ay, ang lamig. Yan na yung floats and ropes. Dali na yun sa shed. What happened to that shed, Kuya? It's dented again.
Yeah.
Han! Did Dad hit the door again?
Hey, there's a dent there.
Yeah, but that was before, right? It was dented before.
I see a dent.
Na. Ayan yung octopus.
Let me see the octopus.
That's the octopus! How many octopus in there? No, you don't. How many octopus is that, Han? Only 2? What's that, Han?
Down the cat state, Baba.
Okay, Karsit, where are you going?
I'm just down at the shed, then I'll be back in behind it.
But no, where are you going right now?
Up the shed.
What?
2 seconds, then I'm back here.
No.
Just dropping the octopus off there.
Okay, i-drop off niya yung octopus. No, we're not going. Daddy's coming back. I-drop off niya lang yung octopus na nakuha nila. Yung octopus, guys, pag marami siyang nahuling octopus, pag maraming octopus sa pots, ibig sabihin walang crayfish kasi kinain na nila yung crayfish. Naunahan na sila dyan ng octopus. So, pag yun, dalawa lang yung octopus. So, ibig sabihin maraming crayfish silang nahuli. Kasi kahit nasa pots na yung mga crayfish, pumapasok yung octopus and kinakain sila. Yeah, wait, that is coming. They're just gonna drop the octopus in past shed. Yeah. What are you waiting now, hon? Waiting for Toby?
I don't want to stay here.
What do you got in your mouth?
Lollies.
Where'd you get that from?
But,
Nah, we're going now. It's one Tommy, then we're going. So,
Okay, come on, boys.
look out.
Put the seatbelt now for Holly, Han, please. Thanks.
no.
Come on, hurry up.
Kuya, do you want hot dog for lunch and bread? I have a... Yes. Okay. Yun na lang yung lunch namin.
In that roll, you have a...
Yeah, the roll. I have the roll. Kasi may binili akong tinapay doon na roll. So, yun yung kanilang kakainin. Okay, see you, love. See you, Han.
Say
See you.
bye, yeah,
Yeah.
bye.
Bye.
Is it smelling in now? I don't think so.
A little bit. When you open, the first time you open. Ayun, alis na si Jan tsaka si Tommy. Yung mga bata nandun sa isang car. Doon sila, oh. Sasabay daw sila pauwi kay Daddy.
Honey, I'm down, down, down. But tell me if you are. Now, now, now. Let's not make it hard. I know that this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know that you act up lately. Cause you feel so. I know that you're feeling something. I know that this could be love. I know that you ain't so trusting. But I feel so.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause